Hi everyone, I am Shahan. Welcome back to my channel Dr. Shahan's class, and in this video I will discuss about nephrotic syndrome. Sorry if there are so many noises because these are for raining. It is raining outside, so you can get this noise. I'm sorry for it, but let's continue our video. Nephrotic syndrome. You can see this puffy child. You can see how the puffiness in the face, edema, facial edema developed not only in the face but also in the ankle, in the feet of this child. This child is suffering from nephrotic syndrome. Now, what is nephrotic syndrome? Let us learn. Nephrotic syndrome is a kidney disorder which actually cause your body to pass too much protein in your urine. So you will lose a lot of protein in your urine. That is nephrotic syndrome. Very, very important. In simple terms, you will lose a lot of protein in your urine. That is nephrotic syndrome. Basically what happens? Our kidney has podocytes. These podocytes are destroyed in this syndrome. I will discuss further in this video, so watch this video continuously. You can see this one. This is actually the kidney and the cross section of kidney, and you can see the glomerulus. This is actually the capillary which is there, and it helps in the secretion and excretion process, where a lot amount or excess amount of water is excreted and it forms the urine. So basically what happens, there are cells known as podocytes which are covering the glomerulus, and this are destroyed. And as these podocytes will be destroyed, you will have a lot amount of protein loss, and that is nephrotic syndrome, protein loss. So let us learn about the different symptoms of this syndrome, nephrotic syndrome. Very, very important, the symptoms. Number one is edema. I already have shown you the picture of the girl where it was a lot of edema, facial edema, ankylary edema, ankle edema, feet edema. All this was there in the child. So this is nothing because of the proteinuria. Why this is happening? Because of the proteinuria. There is a lot amount of protein loss from the body, and that is why you get nephrotic syndrome, proteinuria. What is proteinuria? Protein in the urine. Proteinuria, protein in the urine. And not only edema and proteinuria, you will have tachycardia. Okay, heartbeat will be faster. So tachycardia and hyperlipidemia. This is very, very important. When you test the blood, you will find out there is a lot of lipid in the blood. So hyperlipidemia, very important characteristics. Not only edema and proteinuria, hyperlipidemia, that means lipid increased in the blood. Hyper means increased, lipid, emia or mia means blood. So increase of lipid in the blood, abnormally elevated lipid in the blood. And this patient will be doing a lot of vomiting. They will be doing a lot of vomiting. And if you find the skin, you can understand the skin is very, very pale skin, and there are fissures developed in the skin. So these are the important features. At least you remember edema, which I told you, which is very, very important, and proteinuria, protein loss, a lot amount of protein lost in the urine. But not only these two, edema and proteinuria, you have to remember hyperlipidemia. There is a lot amount of lipid increased in the blood, and you will also find tachycardia and vomiting will be there in the patient. Now let us discuss about the difference between nephritic syndrome and nephrotic syndrome. As I am discussing the nephrotic syndrome, you must know nephritic syndrome also. So people generally get confused about nephrotic and nephritic, but do not get confused. This is very, very important. Nephrotic, the O one, where there is a O, you can remember proteinuria. That means protein loss, protein in the urine. In nephrotic and in nephritic, the itic, you remember inflammation, itic, inflammation, and along with the inflammation you will have hemorrhage, you will have blood loss. So when the blood is involved, blood loss is there, that is nephritic. And nephrotic, O, that means protein loss. These two you must not confuse, because surely there will be question from nephrotic and nephritic. Nephritic means inflammation, itic, inflammation, itic, inflammation. Nephrotic, otic, that means the protein loss. So from the O you can remember podocyte, nephrotic, podocyte, nephrotic, O, podocytes are involved in nephrotic syndrome. Otic, podo. So podocytes are destroyed and the charge barrier disruption occurs in nephrotic. Okay, but in nephritic, itic, I means inflammation occurs, and inflammatory disruption of the glomerulus. So glomerulus becomes inflamed and disrupted. And which part of the glomerulus? Mainly basement membrane inflammation and disruption. So don't forget and confuse between nephrotic, otic, that means podocytes are involved, and disruption of charge barrier occurs in nephrotic. But in nephritic, itic, inflammatory disruption of the glomerular basement membrane occurs in nephritic syndrome. These two you must remember. So where there is protein loss, nephrotic. Where there is blood loss, inflammation, nephritic. So these two you must not confuse. This is very, very important. Nephritic and nephrotic difference. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, make a thumbs up and please subscribe this channel, because this channel contains so many medical videos for helping MBBS students, pharmacy students, BDS students, physiotherapy students, and any student who is studying and related to the medical sector, to the health sector. Please subscribe this channel. This will surely help you. And if you are preparing for neetpg, if you are preparing for FMGE examination, don't forget to subscribe. If you are in first year, second year, third year, fourth year MBBS school, you may be having a new examination known as next examination. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. This channel will 100% help you. And you know what? In this channel, I have created videos only on those topics which are repeatedly asked in medical PG examination like neetpg and FMGE. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and write down in the comment section below. Bye bye.